And a juvenile player with the job of flag bearing in the Haiti boat, Philippe Abel Metellus, country who sent a team to Paris in 1900 and 1924 when they won their first ever gold in the shooting. They're here again, 100 years later, and having a whale of a time.
Me dançar, me dançar, me dançar, me dançar, me dançar. Cê zip, 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 cê